Good afternoon. This is your buddy Jim Dedman. This is Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. This is, I'm laying something down. This is a 1,000 subscriber drawing video. So it's going to be a short and sweet one. I promised you we was going to do this thing old school. So what we're going to do is there's going to be 2 drawings today. I'm going to do the drawing for the Quill Wheel first and the drawing for the shop gift second. So with no further ado, let me get set up here and we'll do it. Okay, in this plastic container is the people that can get this eligible for the Quill Wheel. And you know, in case I'll remind you, anybody is thinking some trickery involved, when I done the video announcing the drawing, Jim Enos at Tangent Engineering is donating one of his Quill Wheels for Bridgeport. Jim said he obviously you had to have a Bridgeport mill and you had to live in the United States or North America basically. So these are the people that met that's the criteria. So let me reach in here. We're going to toss them up a little bit up on the camera. I decided to do this myself. I'm in the shop today working on trying to stretch tires. Just flipping these around, not knowing. We'll toss them up real good and we'll pull a name out. And this is the person. Okay, this is who it is. It's Pascal Dobbins. What I'll do is I'll have your email, Pascal, or actually I'll have your email and I'll bring it up here and I'll make a note on this right here that you're the Quill Wheel winner. I will email you and send your email to Jim Enos. In fact, I'll actually email you and Jim together. So this is going to be the winner of the Quill Wheel. Now give me just a second and I'll get the other drawing together for the shop gift for the coaster. It's hot in my shop today. I've got the heat cranked up. This is all the people that's eligible for both drawings. Basically, the people who didn't win a Quill Wheel and the people who said that they couldn't use a quill or wheel because of their mill or whatnot, wanted the coaster. So now again, we're shaking these things up real good. Toss them up real good. And we're just going to pull a name out here. And we'll see who it is. It's James Arnold. So that's going to be the coasters. So what I'm going to do is I'll get with you, each one of you. And we will get the emails out. I'll try to get that done, if not today, tomorrow. Try to get your coasters in the mail tomorrow or Wednesday, and I will get back to you. I'm going to put this video together and get it out as soon as I can. This is Monday. It may be Tuesday morning before the video is released. So with that being said, I'm going to thank a couple of people. And let me get that done. First of all, I'm going to thank every person who's a subscriber to the channel. You made this drawing possible. Secondly, I want to extend my thanks to Jim Enos at Tangent Engineering for donating such a fine prize as a Quill Wheel. Third, I want to appreciate all the entries into the drawing. And that really made me feel good to see that many people was interested. I would have loved to have had more, but hey, that's the way it is sometimes. So I want to congratulate our 2 winners again, Mr. Arnold and Mr. Dobbins, for your being the winners. And I will get this stuff out as soon as possible. So bear in mind, thank you for the entries. Thank you for subscribing, all of you, everybody, not just the winners. And we will get back to you, get this together. All this stuff will be mailed out as soon as possible. So I got to remind you of a couple things. One, this is a copyrighted production. James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your entertainment, enjoyment, and some viewing pleasure. And so I'm a winner, not because I've got this milestone and I've got you as my supporters. Thanks to each and every one of you. And if you happen to come across this video and not a subscriber and don't know what this is about or not know what machining channels are about, slide on over and look at mine. Please, if you so inclined to stopping by, not a subscriber, subscribe. Comments are always welcome. Somehow I got messed up on one of my videos, I was told, and I had to fix it. YouTube's kind of changed the way they've done things. You got to really pay attention when you're loading a video. So again, thanks to everybody. Congratulations to the winners. And we're going to go get this stuff together. Have a great day.